he switched tracks?
No, when it came from DC, it always had track 1 from Mark's.
Gam, it's coming.
Track 1 is always westbound Marks.
Yep.
That's a freighter.
No, it's not.
That's alright.
It's not?
That's Mark.
There's Mark.
That's Mark.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is.
Sounds like a freighter.
No, the horn's too high.
And P876.
If it was a freight, the horn would be a lot deeper.
Ah, the multi-levels!
Engine 13. Engine Lucky 13.
I thought it was going to be Magic 8.
That'd be nice.
Multi-levels.
Oh, the multi-level cars, yeah. Paint to clean.
On this side, Noah.
That'd be, yeah, those are paint to clean.
Oh yeah, go up.
Yeah, you
Down,
you
down,
did
up.
that. Yeah, you did that.
I would like it more if it was like Lucky number 7 or Magic 8. Lucky 7 sounds.
Man, what is it?
Does Mark have an engine 7?
I don't know. I think so. I'm not sure.
I know CSX
it's
has a
a
quad
P98?
7 and a 777.
It's the
What,
P98
CSX?
here. Is it? Oh, what's his name again?
P898 is Amtrak. Let's go down south. That's a count through hill.
It's got the new cab car there.
The multi-level? I usually clean those.
I'm not really sure about the multi-level because it has this. They're all the same engine. I mean, the horn on the cab car, and it has the same bell as that. For
Yeah.
some reason.
So how soon is it going to be before
Amtrak?
Amtrak gets here?
Who knows? At this rate.
My dad loves the
Yeah?
Loves the Redskins.
At this rate, who
What
knows?
do you think of the band? You heard of the band?
8058.
Well, the goes Mark P875.
It says
Yep.
number 876. It says 876 on the back.
875.
875 is a Mark turn.